Hey guys, it's TS Darkness here with another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Sony Vegas Pro 16, the newest version. So I'm going to put a link in the description for this download, as well as WinRAR, so then you can download the files and everything, alright? They have it for English and everything. All these other operating systems like Macintosh or Mac, you can say it, and Linux and all that other stuff, right? So when you have that downloaded and everything, you just click the red download button. Sometimes people say it doesn't work for like other stuff besides Google Chrome and like Firefox and Opera and stuff, but I recommend using Google Chrome if you're trying to download this. But they say only if this is like 1 GB, so you're fine. So when you have that downloaded, just go to your downloads file. Um, Downloads. So then you go to your downloads file, okay? So you open up Sony Vegas Pro. You that, drag it to your desktop or wherever you want to put it. I recommend watching this video again if you really don't get it. Now, if you watch it again and you don't get it, put a comment down what you don't understand, and I'll see if I can help you on that. Okay, so I dragged it there. Just open up DOM file. You open up the setup. I already have it installed, so it won't actually work when I try to do it. If I click yes, it's gonna say, "Oh, you've already installed this." So anyway, when you guys have installed Sony Vegas and all that stuff, you'll be redirected into here. Just take this protein file, 64 or whatever. It doesn't matter if you're 32 byte or something like that. It still work, trust me. So then you can just close this out, put this in the trash can. Sending you with this protein file. Now, during the setup, wherever you put your thing to, I put mine in program files, Vegas, and then here. So then, when you're in here, click on the protein file. It should be like next to these. If you don't see it, right here. So you just open that up. Take your protein file, put it in here. Replace. You have to replace the file. Click continue. Well, it say you will be able to. Just I've like did it like so many times because sometimes because I was doing something wrong. Well, anyway, when you're done with that, you're good. Now, oh yeah, when you're doing the setup, click something called shortcut, like open as shortcut. If you forgot to do that, just type in Vegas, and then you see this. You just open that. So I'm just gonna open it from here. Oh, I forgot. Dang. Now, when you open it for the first time, it may take a while. People say it takes a while. Let me just like click this so then it doesn't lag out like a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so I like closed it by using that. So anyway, now I'm gonna do my example. This is my intro, like my intro music. So I'm gonna like bass the boost or something like that. Like this list. Wait. I'm testing something right now. Now the older ones, I don't think they had that, but I'm not sure. Okay, put this back in the center. Now this is where I'm gonna put like an ear rape or something. Like you know how people put like bass boosted or like ear rape. You just click track EQ Now, people say it's above this. It's better. Like, wait, let me play it. People say, some people say this is a lot better. That depends on you. They could put this a lot higher. This doesn't get affected on this one, so. Now for the other one, you put it to 20K. Just be like, just know that, dude, like, your ears will hurt if you put it on 20K. On the other one, I'm just gonna disable that one because I really don't use that. Now above frequencies for this now, because I don't want you guys to like ears to die. I'm just gonna put this here and put this to 20K. Best boosted not max. No. Usually supposed to be on right here, so. I see what I mean, right? We'll make their ear rape music. I'm actually gonna probably upload this to my YouTube channel. Later videos, so stay tuned for that. So leave a like, subscribe for more daily content, and I see you guys in the next video. Well, actually, I want to see. I don't know if you can put stuff in reverse, because I know you can. I just never like actually knew how to do it. Well, anyway, leave a like, subscribe for more daily content, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace.